fired the motor up. Well, eventually got it going. There was a loop missing between the ignition and the main ignition cable and the ignition to the coil. They kept losing the voltage to the ECU. So once I put that loop in, it was fine. Then I couldn't get idle, but I've just tweaked up the screw on the idle on the throttle body, and yeah, it's all good. So I filled it with all the fluids. It's got oil, it's got radiator, still got a hose I've got to get a fitting for. I managed to get it the right one eventually. But yeah, it goes up, goes to temperature, plenty of oil pressure. Now it sits at idle about 875 revs. The exhaust, which is just sitting there at the moment, I've just got a couple of mufflers sitting there, and yeah, it sounds great. But yeah, it starts, runs, and let's give it a bit of a kick. That's it. Well, it needs some road time for the throttle body to actually learn, but yeah, it goes along pretty well so far. Yep. They do make a good motor, the boys. Yeah, I'm pretty happy.